This is how you are destroying your skin. Watch this video to the end because the last mistake is very dangerous. If you really care about your skin or getting a useful clear skin, kindly click on the subscribe button, like and comment, and if you know anyone who needs this video, kindly share to them. In this video, I will show you the real practicals with evidence of exact habit that is destroying your skin, why they are working against your biological body, and how to fix them immediately. These are the reasons why you need to watch this video to the end. This is the Lab Doctor's channel. Take a closer look at your skin, the dryness, those dark spots, the sudden breakouts. It is not bad luck, neither it is genetics, nor even stress. Your skin is your first line of defense. It is your physical shield. It blocks bacteria, viruses, and even chemicals. Without your skin, germs will enter your body freely. Again, the skin is responsible for controlling or regulating your body temperature. It is the reason why you sweat, to cool your body or release overheat from your blood vessels. Did you know that your skin is a factory? Yes, unlike the other factories that produce chemicalized vitamin D. Your skin absorbs natural vitamin D from sunlight, which is responsible for stronger bones, immunity, and hormonal imbalance. Your skin is also the reason why the water content in you does not evaporate. So it is responsible for preventing or controlling excessive water loss. It also the reflection of your internal health. If you are stressed or do not eat right, your skin starts to show it. So that is when you start experiencing or having pale skin, which is an indication of low hemoglobin, that is anemia. Yellow skin, which also indicates jaundice or liver disease. You also have dark skin patches, indicating hormonal imbalance. This is the way your skin communicates to you, a reflection of your internal health. Have you ever wondered why after an injury or a tear in your skin, there is a sudden repair? Yes, your skin is the best and your number one repairer. After a tear in your skin starts the repairing process faster than any repairer. After everything I have said about the skin, here is the twist. Amma and Kofi are seriously destroying their skin because to them, fairness is the beauty standard. They start by bleaching their skin, over-scrubbing their skin like my grandmother in the village. That is scrubbing her pots. They start rubbing mixtures on their skin with no idea of the chemical makeup. On top of it all, using an antiseptic soap every day because one particular company advertised about it. And at the end of the day, when they start experiencing skin rashes, pimple, dark patches, liver and kidney disease, they will start blaming their grandmother in the village who has no idea of their everyday habits. They blame them for their witchy activities, of which I don't even think they know what witchcraft is. Just wrong accusation. This is how dark or black people are destroying their skin. Our first point is skin bleaching. Skin bleaching is everywhere. Where are my Nigerian people? Omo Naija, please, this is for educational purpose. Nigerians lead skin bleaching with 77%, which translates to 2/3% of their population, and this is basically women. Men are not inclusive. Followed by Congo with 66%. Senegal is the next with 50%. And then my beloved country, Ghana, with 39%. Lastly, Zimbabwe and Mali with 31%. This is very serious, right? Jamaicans are not left out. Jamaicans bleach because of historic colorism. Yet, this is not an excuse. From cream to soap to injection, what I call modernization bleaching. It has been presented to you in such a way that you feel you are not bleaching, but in the actual fact, you are bleaching. Akosia, I'm just afraid for your liver and your kidney in the near future. And I am here to remind you that your grandmother in the village has done nothing. Your family witches, your village witches have no idea of what will be happening to you in the near future. This is what happens when you bleach your skin. You start seeing stretch marks. So you realize that after using that Abidjan cream, which contains hydroquine, you start seeing some lines, big lines appearing on your skin. Meanwhile, initially, you didn't have that. That is stretch marks, and that is the effect or impact of bleaching. Not only stretch marks, you start experiencing skin burnout, skin breakout, and skin tanning. And at this point, just pray that you don't encounter any major surgery. When the doctor stitch, it will tear, and healing becomes a big problem. Look, it is very good wanting to have a clean, clear skin or a youthful skin, but you need to be extra careful on what you apply on your skin. This brings us to our next point, using harsh DIY remedies or creams on your skin. Putting creams on your skin you have no knowledge of its chemical makeup is very dangerous. Buying creams from online vendors, I call them self-acclaimed cream producers. They have zero knowledge on the importance of skin and the nature of your skin. They are just good at mixing harsh remedies such as soda and lemon. These mixed chemicals or remedy can cause skin burnout, trigger inflammation, and cause stubborn hyperpigmentation. This brings us to one of the biggest mistakes a lot of people do. The mistake of skipping sunscreen. This is the reason why you need sunscreen. So sunscreen protect your skin from UV rays. That is UVA and UVB rays. UV rays of the sun penetrate the skin, damages your collagen, and causes skin wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Please do not compare 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. sunlight to what you have been passing through to work every single day. You definitely need a sunscreen. This is one of the habits that damages your skin, but most people do not pay attention to this. I am talking about antiseptic. Did you know that the skin has a natural flora that protects your skin from foreign bacteria and germs? Using antiseptic every day to bath will erode your normal flora, exposing your skin to foreign germs and external bacteria. You see, there are some people who literally eat everything. You go to birthday parties, they are there. Wedding ceremony, they are there. Naming ceremony, give them the food. Funeral jollof, oh my God, that is what they want best. These people still want clearer or youthful skin. It is not that possible. This brings us to our fifth habit that destroys or damages your skin: diet and water. Eating right, balanced diet, and taking in a lot of water helps to hydrate your skin. It also helps to moisturize your skin. It supports immunity and protects your internal organs. Remember, when your internal organs are unhealthy, it affects the appearance of your skin. Avoid too much sugar, processed food, and limit carbohydrates. I am very much particular about this habit that damages the skin: over-scrubbing. It is a new trend in town where people buy scrub remedies online without knowing the exact chemicals in it. I am not trying to say that scrubbing to exfoliate your skin is bad, but over-scrubbing or excessive exfoliate strip your skin of its natural sebum or oil, leaving it very dry or overly dry, damaging your skin barrier, causing pimple, acne, and leaving your skin very sensitive. If you have skin problem, you are advised to see a dermatologist or a doctor for proper recommendation or effective product. Kindly avoid online vendors who make some kind of mixture or remedy who you have no idea of its chemical makeup. I am here to remind you that fair-colored people are not the beauty standard. Just make sure you apply the right product based on your skin nature and you get a clearer or a youthful, clear skin. Let me know from the comment section which habit shocked you the most: over-scrubbing, using antiseptic, no sunscreen, bleaching, diet and water, or using the DIY remedies. Let me know from the comment section. If this video was helpful, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like our videos, comment, and share to anyone who may need this video. This is the Love Doctors channel. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.